Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. The theme is coastal. This cute mermaid sign is from Dollar Tree. Let's be mermaids. I love that verbiage. And this mermaid was having like a shiny pink color on it. So I just painted pink on top of her skin. So she looks like matte. I removed all the shiny spots on this black and painted pink. So it looks matte, and also it's got a little embossed look to it. And I stuck pearls on all those dots, like different colors of pearls, and I had some white also with pink, baby pink color, white, and all these are from Dollar Tree. And those small shells were already in my stash from a long time, so I just stuck it in the bottom and all over the frame on the four corners. And this pearl strand is from Michael's. I had it in my stash from a long time. And this ribbon is also from Michael's. It was for $1 or something. And I made a bow and twined it with cotton twine and attached a pearl in the center. So this is one of the cute mermaid sign I'm very much in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Funday, and this is hosted by Janny and Dyanne from Deco and Trish and Kay from the Crafting Cousins. And I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. So this is the final reveal, and this is one of the mermaid chests. That's the look I wanted to give. And like you saw, this is already pre-made, this beautiful mermaid box, and all I did was just highlighted the mermaid, which was in shiny letter. I converted that into matte look. Using a white paint brush, I just wrote mermaid on top of those shiny letters, just to get rid of that shiny stuff. And same with her mermaid tail. I just painted blue, and I created her top part, and also I just stuck one of the bow, two of the bows together, and a pearl in the center, and one greenery flowing to the top of the chest. And using the placemat, that beautiful designed placemat, and it's going well with the theme, so I just cut two pieces and stuck on either side of the box. And I also, using the glass gems, I just stuck the feet for the chest, and I twined around that beautiful designed placemat. I love how this placemat is going well with this chest, all the colors and design. I'm so happy how this turned out. And I stuck some shells to go with it, and stuffed a lot of shells in that box with gems, like glass gems and some white pearls, pink pearls, and pearl string. So yeah, this is one of the mermaid's treasure chest. So that's the look I wanted to give there. I hope it worked. I'm in absolute love with this piece. Let me know your thoughts on this. This is the final reveal of all my mermaid themed projects. I'm so happy how these turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.